Hey guys, this is Erin or Gimme Yarn 418, and I am here to show you, or to attempt to show you how I do the Kitchener stitch. Bruno had mentioned that his Kitchener was coming out a little wonky, so I said that I would attempt to show you. I've already filmed this once and it was horrible, but we're going to try anyway. So what I say to myself when I Kitchener is knit off purl, purl off knit. Knit off purl happens on the front needle, and purl off knit happens on the back needle. One thing I will say is I never over tighten or tug on my yarn. I try to keep the tension consistent with the rest of the sock. My knitting teacher, when I first learned how to knit, told me that the sheep never did anything to you, so don't choke the sheep. So, this is what we do. This is what I do, anyway. First, I go in knitwise and I pull my stitch off, and then I go in purlwise and I pull my yarn through. And I tighten, but I don't pull it super taut. Next, I go into the back, as if to purl, I take it off, as if to knit, I leave it on, and pull it through. And we continue. Knit off, purl, pull through, tighten, but not too tight. You want it to tighten up and close the hole, but not choke the sheep, as I said. If you tighten it too much, it's going to make puckers in your Kitchener, and it just won't look like a row of knit stitches. And I am by no means a expert on this. I like the Kitchener. I enjoy it. I actually look forward to it the most when I make my socks. So yeah, I'm just purling off knit, knit off purl. It's just my oven preheating, and onto the back needle, purl off knit. Okay, I am at the last 4 stitches. I'm going to try and get low enough here. Knit off purl and not split my stitches. I give anybody who does tutorials props because this is not easy. Purl off, knit, and then you're left with 2 stitches, and all you do is knit off, purl off. You pull it, and I don't know if this is supposed to happen, but I always have this little tail at the end, but I just feed my needle through and kind of work it in, and as you can see, my toe looks like, maybe if I put my hand in you'll be able to see better. My toe. This is why I don't do tutorials, folks. Okay, so now you can see my toe looks like it's just continuous knit stitches where I grafted the toe together. So I hope this was helpful. Bye.